Okay, yeah. So this video shows the experience, my experience today in the snow of Canada. It was a very heavy snow in Toronto. So I was driving on my way back from work. So you could see that I was going down the hill right here, and then there was a vehicle that was stuck out the front, just few seconds away from here. They are right there. So the vehicle drifted away from the road because of the snow. So if you didn't have a winter tire, it's likely your vehicle is going to drift. Also, if you can see the vehicle moving, trying to move forward, but it's drifting because there's hardly some grip. So if you don't have a winter tire, like I said earlier, it's very difficult for your vehicle to move, especially when the snow is very much like today. So and also if you have a front wheel or a back wheel drive, it's not suitable for the winter weather. So I continue to move down the hill, and then there's a particular hill that I'm going to turn by the right. There's a ramp just by the right hand side right here. So you could see a lot of vehicles stop because it's either their front wheel or back wheel, or they don't have winter tires. So in any of these, it's very difficult to drive during winter because there is no grip of the tires to the snow, and then your vehicle could drift away. You could see this other one is stuck right there. It could not climb the hill, and if you could hear my vehicle also, I had to press more on the accelerator. See, this other vehicle is stuck, and so there was just so much vehicles because there's a lot of snow on the ground, on the road, and then your tire just slide over it and keeps spinning. You could see this other one, the hazard lights are on because the vehicle couldn't climb the hill. So if you could hear my vehicle, I just press hard on the accelerator, making sure it's able to spin as much as possible and climb the hill. So lucky for me, and they're wearing so much vehicles that were coming because not all vehicles could climb the hill. So the other one stopped over there, and then the accident, boom, you could see. So that's how a car crashed into mine, and then boom, look at my car over there. You see the right back leg of the car is gone, and then this is what you see a likely scenes in a winter in snow day Canada. You could see a lot of accidents on the road, and it was a terrible experience. And it was really terrible. I'm glad nobody was hurt, but the car is totally damaged, and you could see it right there, it's totally damaged. So there's nothing that could be done anymore. Both the front, the bumper, the back wheel, the hazel, everything